Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching today. Beside me, I've got my BMW M4. I have a small project I wanted to showcase today on the video. But first, I want to just do a bit of a walk around and show all the carbon fiber that it has and all the recent additions. So the first mod that I did was this carbon fiber spoiler. There's a video on that, one of the first ones I did once getting this BMW M4. I apologize for the noise. We got the garage door open. It's super windy out. And I don't know what it is, but every time I want to film a video, everyone wants to drive by and be on YouTube, I guess. I got this carbon fiber rear diffuser. I got these things here, rear canards, if you want to call them that. I really like these side skirts. I feel it just completes the side profile of the car. I'm still going to need a piece here, so if anyone has a good hookup on the rear bumper, whatever you call it another canard, I'm really not sure. I'm looking for those. Got these mirror caps. They fit perfect. I know there's fitment issues out there, so I was really happy that the package that I bought, everything fit very, very well. I'm really happy with this GTS style hood. As you can see, it's vented. You can actually take that vent out and perhaps make it functional. I am going to do something with some vinyl here just to not make it square off so bad. I still like how it looks, but maybe with this vinyl it doesn't look quite in place. I want to have it look, well, I'll Don's Life up a little bit and maybe follow a body line, so that'll be a different video. I already had these eyebrows or eyelids, whatever you want to call them. This is just a vinyl wrap. I had a video on that, but it looks kind of like carbon fiber. It looks pretty close. I added these canards here, and I added this aggressive lip, but this lip here is a scraper, meaning the 3 times that I've taken it out since I put it on, I scratched it 3 times. So today's video is going to be about eliminating the amount of risk when it comes to scratching your front spoiler. So let's have a look at what I'm talking about here. This product here is called SLIPLO Universal Skid Plate, stops driveway scrapes, protects under bumpers, and carbon fiber lips. Well, that's a genuine carbon fiber lip, and we want to protect it. I feel this is overpriced for what you're getting, but they seem to be the only ones that make it available, at least in this quality. I bought one kit. No, this isn't a paid promotion. It's not sponsored. This is just out of my own pocket, which 99% of what I put on YouTube so far has been that. But I need to do something just to put my mind at ease. And the reviews on this seem to be great, that people wish they had put it on sooner. Now I kind of do because I have 3 scratches. You can't see them, thankfully, but let's open this, see what we have. We'll take off the front lip, attach it as per the directions, and then maybe we'll test it out a little bit. Let's go. Okay, here's our scratches. Ooh, that one ate pretty bad. It ate right through all the clear coat, right into the carbon fiber. Got a little bit right here. And we got a little bit right there. And again, it nicked a little of the carbon fiber out, so makes me sad. So let's start working with this stuff here. All right, first we're going to clean it with 70% isopropyl alcohol. I've done it once already. I'm just doing this gratuitously for the video. Here we go. We're going to put on some of this adhesion promoter. This should help it stick to the clear coat. They say wear a glove when putting it on. It's just on a little sponge here. And then make sure it's dry before you go and stick anything to it. So we'll just give this all a wipe in the areas I know I'm gonna put the protection. Hard to hold on to with a glove. This just helps make it stick, that's all. Okay, we got our product right here. I've already marked where center is, so we're gonna put the first one right about there. And then we'll put the other ones. They're very pliable, so we can kind of change their direction. We'll curve those around there. We'll put some pieces in here. And then for this last little bit, since we got most of our scratches in this area right here, we'll cut this one in half and we'll wrap a bit there and we'll wrap a bit there. So wish me luck. Okay, it's installed, as you saw from the video. You can just see a hint of it here, but because it was all butted up against each other and close, I don't think anything looks out of place or looks bad. But anyway, I've been able to drive out of my driveway without scraping, but it comes super, super close. But we're gonna turn the car around and try and come in forward first because I was scraping when I tried that before. So let's see if this does the job. Spotter tells me I'm probably going to hit, but for the viewers, I'm going to go for it. There, I scraped it intentionally a few times back and forth. Let's see if we can see what damage has been caused. I went back and forth on that just for your viewing pleasure. Having a look, we got scraping in the areas that had happened before it was protected, so that did its job. And right over here, again where it's doubled up, that did its job. So I'm not quite sure if you can see that. Maybe I'll add some close-ups, but this stuff does its job. All right, so this product works. I'm glad that I put it on. That 3M adhesive is very, very strong. I had to reposition one little piece where I wanted it to curve a little better and line up with the piece beside it. I definitely recommend this. I do think it's a little overpriced, but it seems to be the best product out there for this purpose. So if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you next time.